Do you remember playing with magnets when you were a child? I sure do. I'm sure almost every child who's ever played with magnets still remembers the delight in playing with two magnets that repelled each other. You hovered one magnet over the other, and the loose magnet rockets away from the magnet in your hand. If you had magnets with their opposite poles facing each other, the little buggers attracted each other with quite a bit of force. And to me, it seemed like magic. The cool thing is that you can use this sort of magic in your affiliate marketing. You can create a lead product that attracts your prospects to you with the same white-hot intensity of two opposite magnets. This is called a lead magnet product. Seems easy enough, right? And yet, all over the world, there are marketers who are getting this simple step completely wrong. Instead of creating lead magnet products, they seem to be creating products and landing pages that repel their prospects and send them scurrying off into the hinterland. Pew! Never to be seen again. That is a totally lethal mistake. This mistake alone could completely break your business. Why? Well, it's because if you can't capture your leads onto a mailing list, then you're going to have a hard time building a strong relationship with them and getting your offers in front of them. That's why. So let's help you avoid this business-killing mistake. Just come along as I share with you tips and tricks for putting the magnet into your lead magnet product and landing page. The first tip is to be sure that you have a professional landing page. Every once in a while, you're going to hear people claim that you could write your sales letter on a piece of toilet paper and people would still read it as long as the message was good. Of course, the people who are saying that have sites designed by web designers who haven't updated their skills since probably 1995 or so. Sure, good sales copy is important, and we're going to get to that in just a minute, but a polished landing page is just as important. Take a look around your niche, and I'm sure you'll see that you have a whole lot of competition from other affiliates and even vendors. Everyone wants to get the prospects on their list, and yet prospects don't want to join every list under the sun. I'll tell you what, your prospects are actually looking for a reason not to join your list. All it takes is one amateurish or unprofessional looking landing page, and they're going to assume you're unprofessional or even an amateur. It's not fair, but that's the way the world works. The good news is you don't need to sink your life savings into hiring some fancy pants web designer who thinks he's God's gift to affiliate marketers. All you have to do is get your hands on a little web app called Landing Page Monkey. Landing Page Monkey generates beautiful, responsive lead pages for you with just a couple clicks of your mouse. And again, I just want to note you can check the resource section on the site for more information about this slick little app. The second tip for attracting prospects is to provide some strong copy on your landing page. You don't need to provide a lot of copy. You just need to be sure that you grab your prospects' attention and then give them a really good reason to join your mailing list. You can accomplish this with a strong headline that presents your lead magnet's biggest benefits, along with another few lines or bullet points that present a handful of the product's other strong benefits. And then you want to be sure to end with a call to action where you specifically tell prospects what to do next to get their hands on the free lead magnet. So here's what to do. Write your headline and then a small list of other benefits. You want to make sure you arouse curiosity whenever possible. For example, you might have a headline like this: Free report reveals the #1 way to save $105 on your electric bill this year. Then ask yourself, does this lead page give prospects a strong and compelling reason to join your list? If not, go back to the drawing board. Or you might even consider hiring a professional copywriter to do this step for you, because, as I've already mentioned, it's important, very important, that you get this step right. The third tip for attracting prospects is to be sure you have something they really want. Pretty simple, but a lot of people overlook this one too. You can't just toss up some resale right products that your prospects have already seen on a million other websites. It won't work. Then you're no better than that weird old woman we all know who offers everyone those odd hard candies that have been out of production since 1960. Do your market research to find out what people really want. Check out marketplaces like Amazon, ClickBank, and JVZoo to find out what products are hot and selling like crazy. If your market's already shelling out cash to buy a certain kind of product, then you know they're going to snap it up if you give it away for free. They're going to love it. Okay? Then you create a product that's directly related to the main product you're selling, which is going to bring us to the next point. This fourth tip for attracting prospects is to create a lead magnet product that works as a sales tool. The whole reason for your lead magnet product to even exist is to attract people to your site and get them on your mailing list. But a good lead magnet also works as a sales tool. And a good sales tool has these two characteristics. First, ideally, your lead magnet should be something that people use or refer to frequently. It could be a list of resources, a checklist, a mind map, software, or maybe some other kind of tool or resource. These things work well because people use them often, and that means they're going to see your calls to action often as well. Secondly, your product should naturally lead prospects to wanting to buy the main product you're promoting. For example, a free search engine optimization WordPress plugin would naturally lead to people wanting to buy a course on search engine optimization, as they'd get more benefit out of the plugin. Another example, people who opt into your list to get a report about how to set up a website will naturally purchase necessary items through your affiliate links, things such as a domain name or web hosting. Okay, one more example. If you're selling a physical product like barbecue grills and other supplies, then creating a free grilling recipe book is going to give you an opportunity to recommend must-have supplies that will turn the reader into a master griller. Readers are going to naturally want to buy the affiliate products you're recommending if they're convinced it'll make their meals and backyard entertaining better and more fun. Okay, so that's how you create a lead magnet product that attracts rather than repels your audience. If you haven't already created your lead magnet or landing page, I suggest you jump on that right now. If you've already done this, but the product or page could use a bit more polish, then go ahead and take the time to do it because your business depends on it. And again, be sure to check out the resources on this site for more information about Landing Page Monkey, which will level the playing field between you and those multi-million-dollar companies with the high-priced web designers. And with that, let's go ahead and move ahead to the next video.